So what's the idea of the blockchain or of the ICO? What are they centering on? So if we look at this place, we'll see ALAX is a mobile game distribution platform based on blockchain technology with the intention of bringing fresh air to the gaming industry. So it's a mobile game distribution platform based on blockchain. Okay, so we come here and paste it. All these tiny little details are very important. So mobile game distribution platform. So what is it? An infrastructure? Is it an app? Is it a currency? Is it a blockchain? So they never said it's a blockchain. A blockchain mobile game platform. So what you have to understand is that in the whole ICO sector, they like to throw the word blockchain around, but most of the times they are not really blockchains. So to know whether it's a blockchain, what you have to do, forget all these blockchain based systems. They like to throw the big words around. So you go to their white paper, that's what exposes it. So we'll go to their white paper and open their white paper. This one is in PDF. Okay, so it has opened right now, and the white paper usually exposes whether they are running on an already existing platform or blockchain platform, or whether they built their own blockchain. You understand? So after scanning through this, I found out that they are working on a blockchain platform called Decent. It's called Decent. Is a digital content oriented. Look at it. The core blockchain developed by Decent is a digital content oriented blockchain with fundamental support of block purchase and distribution of digital assets such as mobile games. So ALAX is using a Decent core blockchain. Okay, so they are not a blockchain. They're just an app store, sort of an app store. So I think they are an infrastructure. All right. Prototype. So they are infrastructure for distributing apps. Do they have a prototype already? So to know whether they have a prototype already, you usually check their menus. So they have partners, they have meetups, they have team about, but so far there is no prototype. About what is ALAX? Manages mobile game experience. Okay, blockchain based system for game. Unfortunately, there is no. So you see, there is no prototype. They don't have an already existing product. So, and that's usually a bad sign. No already existing product, bad sign. Meet us. So if they had a product, they would have proudly put it up here. You understand? So this is one way. The menu is usually the giveaway for a prototype. So no prototype, so we leave it empty. We get back to ICO predictor. So it has helped us spot one weakness with this ICO. The white paper URL, that's easy. We just open the white paper here. We just copy the URL and we put it here. And real world counterparts is an app store like Google App Store, Google Play Store. So it's an app store for distributing games. Their audience, I think it's gamers, sort of developers, people that will build games, I think. And banned countries, they don't have any banned countries. So this is their social media. As you can see, we have completed the first step, the strategy step, and we're moving to the social media. So I want to pause this video here and continue in the next video just to fill this form. All right, see you guys.